Hello friends, today we are starting with a new section in speaking where we will discuss cue cards that appeared in recent exams at various places around the globe. This cue card appeared in Melbourne in March 2016. So first let's have a look at the cue card question. Talk about a person who does a job that is beneficial for the society. Please say what job is it, who is the person, how long have you known him or her, why do you like to visit him or her. So here is a model response to the question. I would like to talk about a spiritual path breaker who transformed my life thoroughly, and his name is Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari. Sandeep, who works as a motivational speaker and is a true gentleman, is a charming thin fair guy with thick black hair. I can picture him now standing in a big hall giving his speech and talking to the audience. He has spoken in various life-changing seminars and changed the way people look at life. I remember when I saw the first bite from one of his seminars forwarded by one of my friends, I was truly awe-inspired. That very moment I decided I would meet this man one day in my life. Due to his vast contribution to the society, he is called for interviews on news channels also. Slowly but surely, he has climbed the ladder of success and finally reached the top position. He always teaches to take every moment in life as a challenge and live it to the fullest. The way he guides is very simple and understandable because he himself started his career from a grassroots level. I think if it hadn't been for him, I would never have understood life in a positive manner as I know it today. Listening to one of his videos has become a daily ritual for me as it gives me strength from inside. Anyone who listens to his words automatically starts respecting and admiring him. Sandeep is a charismatic personality and people follow him madly. Unfortunately, most people today do not possess such virtues and are rather busy with their own self. But there are few like Sandeep who dedicate their life for the betterment of the society selflessly. I hope I will meet him someday and get personal guidance from him on achieving calm in life. Now we discuss the follow-up questions. Why do you think some people like to help others? In this question we can say there are different kinds of people in the society. Some have a noble heart and they work selflessly towards betterment of society. Such people get happiness and satisfaction in what they do for others. They have no desires from the material world and they are satisfied in their inner self. The second question, what are the some ways people can help others in the community? In this question we can say lending help to people in distress, be it financial or psychological, is a good way to serve the society. Offering voluntary services through social organizations and arranging employment for the unemployed is another good way to work for upliftment of humanity. Now the third question, some people say that people help others in the community more now than they did in the past. Do you agree or disagree? Why? In this question we can answer, with the advancement in means of socialization, people have come closer and recognize the wants of others. People understand more about the deprivations of the needy and are more inclined to help. There has been a gradual shift in the behavior of people. For the fourth question, what kind of people are working more in your country? We can say in a society we live with all kinds of people with different mindsets. Some are kind-hearted, some are cruel and some are neutral. So it is not possible to categorize and count different kinds of people, but overall people with a kind heart has increased. And now the last follow-up question. In what kind of jobs can people make more money? For this we can say any kind of job, if done with dedication and best efforts, can get us good money. All jobs are money making until we put our best effort. Thanks for listening. Hope you like this new section, and all the best for your IELTS exam.